What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be installing this Rennline, I believe it's like a mechanical hood damper or Decklid damper, so that I no longer need to replace these all the time. The ones that are currently on the car are, not working. They can't hold up the actual Decklid with the RS America wing. So what I did was, if you come a little closer, these things were held on over here with a pin and a clip. So I'm sorry I already removed that. I actually started doing this before I decided to make a video. And so the clip was right here. And so if you guys want to look right here, this is what it looks like. So basically the pin was like that. So if you guys can see. So I had to pop this off and then remove the pin. So this is gonna be trash. I'm gonna actually leave the one on the driver's side. I'm sorry, on the passenger side. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm pretty sure even though it's weak, it'll have a little bit of stability. So I'm going to see if I can get this in. So in the 964s, it looks like the carbon piece goes towards the back. So if you have a full black one, just put the thicker part towards the back. That's what she said. Oh no. 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 No.
You went into the abyss.
Hold on. I'm magnet at the bottom of my flashlight. Let me see if I can see it. Oh. Found it. Perfect. Alright.
Now send a link to that flashlight.
Thank you, flashlight. Yeah, maybe we'll affiliate link this flashlight. Alright, here we go. As you guys can imagine, not a lot of room back here. Wow, so hard because my hand is pushing the strut to the left and there's not a lot of room to wiggle, so check out my stance. You guys see that? This is the type of stance that you guys need to be in. Okay, hold on there. Okay. Okay. Alright. By the way, this is like my fourth time doing this because things always go on backwards first, so don't let YouTube people fool you. Alright. So also, try not to do this in the dead peak of summer because then you'd be sweating like me. All right. So let's see. Oh, all right. One more to go. One more pin. This is probably gonna take me half an hour. All right, let me see. Let me get in there. Oh boy. I think I got it. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Okay, just need pliers. Yes! Alright. Let's try this out. Okay. Remove this. Boom! Alright, let's lift it up. Woo! Yes. Dude, it works perfect. Hopefully I never have to replace that again. So this is on Rennline's website. This is a mechanical strut. A Decklid strut. There you guys go. Pretty simple to install. Okay. Yep. And that's it. So there you guys go. Do not come to me for any questions about this stuff because I am not a mechanic. But if I could do it, you could probably do it too. So that's it. See you guys on the next one. Ooh, very cool. All right. Oh, let's do another. So I want to teach you guys some nuances about the 964. For example, if you go into the later years, 92 to 94, which I consider the 0.2 variant. If you look at the latch system here, you see how this is kind of like in the shape of a D. If you come this way, it's kind of in the shape of a D. The 89 to 91s and even earlier than the 89s, they come with a circle receiver. And if you guys look up here, the earlier ones come with a what I like to call like a finger and spring latch. So that one goes into the hole. And the later ones in the 92 to 94s have this kind of this H pattern latch right there. So if you guys try to buy a car that is a 92 to 94 but has a finger spring with a circle receiver, then there's probably an accident because this bar right here continues down into the frame down there. So just a nice piece of trivia for you guys.